Ever heard of mind maps before? In this video, you're going to find out how you can use them to prepare for your exams like a pro. Mind maps are especially useful when you have to study lots of interrelated information, like in biology, geography, or history. So how do you make a really awesome mind map? Imagine you're studying for an exam on mass tourism. Maybe you have some notes from class and a massive section on it in your geography textbook. First of all, grab yourself a sheet of letter format paper. It's important to turn the paper on its side to landscape orientation. This will make you feel freer when drawing. First of all, write the topic of the exam in the middle and draw a cloud around it. Next, think about what the important subtopics of mass tourism are. Perhaps you already have a few different chapter titles from your textbook. If you don't have much inspiration, you can also think about questions such as, who is involved? Why? What are the causes and the background? What processes are taking place? And what are the effects of these processes? Next, draw a bubble around this. Then things will come together. Aha! That's another aspect of the overall topic of mass tourism. You'll also be able to remember the map better later on if you use different colors for the different subtopics. That's really easy if you use a multicolored pen. So now you just go through your notes and your memory and write down what comes to mind for each individual point. If you notice that you can subdivide things like the chapters even further, then you can just make subheadings. Again, draw a different shape around the word here. Try to stick to a maximum of 2 words for each keyword. Your mind map should not end up swamped with text. You'll remember the individual points even better if you draw pictures instead of writing words. Your mind map can also include small diagrams or sketches that are important for the topic, like the Butler model of tourist resort development in our case. Great! Now that you have everything written down, if you notice a subheading is becoming too big, you just make a new mind map starting from that point before things become too cluttered. Awesome! Once you have arranged the stuff on paper, you can already remember it better. Besides, you already have a pretty nice overview. To make sure the whole thing sticks in your head for the exam, you should try to redraw the whole thing again from memory. That's where the real learning takes place. When you compare this map with your original mind map, you will also be able to see where you still have gaps in your knowledge, and then you can close them easily. If you want to become a real mind map pro, then you can do the following. Look how the individual topics are linked, then restructure your mind map. For example, like this. See how the subheadings are interconnected? If you manage to link the topics mentally and spatially on the sheet of paper, then you will never forget them. It also shows that you have a better understanding of the subject. Alright, so what should you remember about mind maps? Lay your sheet of paper horizontal. Use different colors and shapes. Include sketches, diagrams, and symbols. And redraw your mind map from memory. This way, you can dig deeper into the material and you will feel confident that you are prepared for the exam. Great! Now you can prepare for those exams that require some organization of your knowledge. If there are still some topics you simply don't get, then take a look at our app. There we explain every topic in just a few minutes. Nice and easy on SIMPLECLUB.com. See you there!